Hello, good morning, guys. My name is Saurabh. I'm working as a Salesforce professional in this industry from quite a long time. And today we are going to see what is basically the Salesforce is all about. There are a couple of questions in the mind of students, aspirants, veterans, or those who want to enter into the Salesforce world. And also there are so many basic things that we require to know to get entered into the Salesforce ocean. So out of those so many topics, we will pick some of the topics and then we will discuss on those things. So I have listed a couple of questions that I can share with you. So as a base topic, here are some questions that I can figure it out. First coming into my mind. So, what is Salesforce job? Normally, this question is asked first, but before that, there are three levels that we should understand. So, what is CRM? Then, what is cloud computing? What is Salesforce? And then we can figure it out. What is the Salesforce job? And it is easy way to understand these things. So, when we talk about CRM, so CRM is basically is it is a customer relationship management, which is nothing but it is a kind of a technology that you can say. Okay, then this technology is used to manage 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 all your company's relationships. Okay, so managing part is there, relationship management is the primary area, then there is interaction. So interaction among the customers, the potential customers specifically, then among the other stakeholders who are working with the company. So if you try to understand the goal for each and every activity that we do under CRM, so goal is simple. It is business relationship to grow your business. So business relationship means it will involve all the stakeholders coming into this. If you see particularly the CRMs in which Salesforce is a part of, you will find that there are CRMs having use in the inbound processes like lead management, then sales tracking, other you can say the social media. There also you can track the client. So these are all fully integrated systems. And in earlier days, all these systems used to be a standalone software. I can say in a layman language as a bulky software. But nowadays, because of the computing world evolution, such as one of the biggest technology boom that we are having with us today is cloud computing. So now it is all pay per use kind of things that we are using, and because of that no need to install these softwares, and there is also no need to look upon the security and storage issues as in hardware is concerned, or not in operational ways also for these softwares. So as in a simple definition for the CRM can be a technology which is managing your company's relationships and interaction with the customer and potential customers. Okay. The aim is to improve your business, and that is achieved by maintaining the relationships, of course. And the CRMs also helps companies to stay connected with their customers. Then they help to streamline the various processes and also improve the profitability. When we talk about CRM, so they are usually referring to a CRM system or a tool that helps with contact management, sales management, productivity, and many such others. So CRM solutions do help you to focus on the organization relationships with the individual people, including the customers, the service users, the colleagues, and the suppliers throughout your life cycle with your company, including finding the new customers, then winning their business, and also providing support and additional services. And when we say that, we actually want to convey you how this will look. So CRM is in central, and these functionalities are revolving around the CRM. So lead management, task management, email, then employee activities, tracking the locations, invoice generation, and call apps. These are some of the activities belonging to the CRM in general. So, who is CRM for? So, for the question, the answer will be like the CRM system gives everyone from sales, the customer service, the business development, recruiting, marketing, or any other line of business you say a better way to manage the external interactions relationships that drives you to success. So a CRM tool lets you store customer and prospect contacts information, identify the sales and opportunity, record service issues, and manage marketing campaigns also, and all in one central location, and make information about every customer interaction available anyone at your company who might need it. So with this visibility and easy access to data, it's easier to collaborate with increased productivity, and everyone in your company can see how customers have been communicated with, what they have bought, when they have purchased, and what they have paid, and so much more. So basically, CRM can help companies for all sizes to drive their business, grow, and it can be especially beneficial to small business as well when or where teams often need to find ways to do more with some less. So CRM industry is in boom right from the beginning of the 2005, I can say. Before that also it was there, but onwards 2005 the industry started to get into a boom basically. And running a business without CRM, that may cost you real money to the industries. So industries also now are in a support for these kind of CRMs to be used.